Hello my dear students. Today in this video lesson of science for class 5th, we are going to do model test paper 1, which is on page number 93 and 94. In this model test paper, we are going to do some exercises related to lesson 1 to 6. Our first exercise of model test paper 1 is fill in the blanks. Part A. The dash is made up of 22 bones. So students, skull is made up of 22 bones. We all know that skull is the bony case that will make your head and face region, and it protects the brain, and also it gives shape to your face. It is made up of 22 bones. 8 bones will make the skull and 14 bones will make the face. Understood? So skull is made up of 22 bones, 8 will make the skull and 14 will make the face. Part B. Dash are blood vessels with thick walls. We all have 3 blood vessels in our body, 3 types of blood vessels. First is arteries, second is veins, and the third is capillaries. So among these 3 blood vessels, arteries have thick and muscular walls. Arteries have thick and muscular walls. Veins have thin walls, and capillaries are finest blood vessels. So your answer should be arteries. Part C. Starch and sugar are dash. So students, starch and sugar are carbohydrates. They are carbohydrates which will provide energy to our body. Part D. Dash is the simplest carbohydrate. So simplest carbohydrate is absorbed easily by the body. So it's glucose. Whenever you might have seen, whenever we are having any type of weakness, first of all the patient is to be given glucose, because it is the simplest carbohydrate and it will be absorbed by the body easily. So glucose is the simplest carbohydrate. Part E. Dash have a definite shape and volume. So we all know that matter is found in 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. So among these 3 states, solids have definite shape and volume, because molecules in solids are very tightly packed. The intermolecular force between the molecules of solid is very strong. That is why they are having definite shape and volume. So solids have a definite shape and volume. Part F. Air contains dash percent of oxygen. So whenever we are talking about composition of air, we all know that air is a mixture of gases. So the percentage of oxygen in this mixture of gas is 21%. It will be 21%. 78% will be of nitrogen and 1% of other gases. So 21% will be of oxygen. So this part 2. Give one example of. In this question, we have to give one example each of the following. First is movable joint. Movable joints are those joints that allow movement of bones. So they are called movable joint. Cartilage is present between the movable joints. So its example is knee. Okay. The joint in knee will allow movement of bones. That is why it is called movable joint. Part B is seed dispersed by wind. We all know that seeds dispersed by wind should be light. That is why they will be easily carried away by the wind. So such an example is cotton. Cotton seeds are very light. Part C, bisexual flower. So bisexual flowers are those flowers which have both male and female reproductive part. So such an example will be rose. Rose is a bisexual flower which will be having both male or female reproductive part. Part D, food rich in calcium. Students, if we want strong bones, for that we will have to take those food items which are rich in calcium, because calcium will help us to keep our bones hard and strong. So such an example is milk and its dairy products. So our answer will be milk. Milk will help us to keep our bones hard and strong. Part E, food rich in iron. Iron is a mineral which will help to strengthen our bones, and also it will maintain normal heartbeat. So if a person is having a deficiency of iron in his body, he will suffer from disease anemia. And you can see symptoms like pale skin, dark circle under his eyes, and tiredness. Okay, so if we want to have sufficient iron in our body, what we are going to take is, we will take spinach. Part F, a healthy method of cooking food. A healthy method of cooking food. Steaming is one of the healthy method of cooking food. It does not require oil, and it keeps to retain vitamins and minerals, taste and color. Okay, so steaming is very good way of preparing healthy food. Next is, you have to give one example of monocotyledonous seed. So monocotyledonous seeds are those seeds which are having only one cotyledon. So such an example is exercise number 3 is match the following. So first is land breeze. So land breeze will be matched it up with night. Stamen, we all know it is the male part of the flower. Part C, a WBC. WBC helps to fight against infection. WBC means white blood cells. They are the soldiers of our body. Blood platelets helps in blood clotting. Humerus is the long bone in upper arm. And in F part, we will match vitamin D with rickets. The person who is having a deficiency of vitamin D will be suffering from a disease that is called rickets. So this was our match the following. Please match it correctly. Part 4, write true or false. If the statement is right, you will have to write down true, and if the statement you feel is incorrect or wrong, you will write down false for that. Part A, deficiency of vitamin C causes beriberi. So student, this is false, because deficiency of vitamin C will cause a disease called scurvy. Understood? This is false, because beriberi is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B, not from vitamin C. Part B, the heart has 4 chambers. Yes, this is true. Heart has 4 chambers. And the 4 chambers are 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. So write down true. Part C, the pivot joint is present in the elbow. Now this is false, because in elbow we find hinge joints, not pivot joint. So this is false. Part D, sepals protect the flower when it is a bud. Yes, this is true, because sepals are leaf-like structure, and what is their function? Their function is to protect the flower, okay, when it is in bud stage. Till it becomes the flower, it will protect it in its bud stage. So this is true. Part E, the plumule grows into the root. Student, this is false, because in germination process, radicle grows into the root. It will grow downward, but the plumule will grow into the shoot. The plumule will grow into the shoot and it will grow upward. So this statement that plumule grows into the root, this is false. So write down false for this statement. Part F, fast flowing wind is called breeze. So this is also false, because fast flowing wind is called storm. It is very fast. So fast flowing wind is called storm, not breeze. Slow moving air is called breeze. Breeze is slow moving air and storm is fast flowing. So this statement is also wrong. So we will have to write down false for it. So this was our exercise number 4. Write a true or false. So students, I hope you might have understood exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4 of model test paper 1. Rest of the exercises, that are number 5, 6, 7 and 8, will be discussed in our next video lesson. So for homework, you will have to write down these 4 exercises which we covered in this video lesson in your notebook and learn them also. So that's all for now, students. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.